Friends, it is very easy to publish your project on GitHub Pages. All you need to do is come to the repository of your project that you want to publish as GitHub Pages. Let's say I want to publish this project. So what I need to do here is come to the settings option. After that, I will go to the pages section, and here you can see the GitHub Pages option for build and deployment. The only thing that I need to do here is change the branch from none to main and click on the save button, and I am almost ready to go. GitHub Pages source saved, and my project is now published on GitHub Pages. Now to see my published GitHub Pages, come back to my repository. Guys, here you can see deployment successful. I can check my GitHub page here. This is the link to the published GitHub page. So if I click on this link, you can see that my project is successfully published on this URL. So my project has been successfully published on the GitHub Pages. So guys, this is the easy method to deploy your project on GitHub Pages. Thank you.